Hello. 5 minutes to strategize for 5 days ahead. A flat week gave way to a week of precipitous fall in the stock indices. Even after a smart recovery on Friday, the Nifty lost close to 500 points week over week. Yet, the two IPOs received huge oversubscriptions. In the coming week, the IPOs of Mazagon Docs and UTI Asset Management Company are lined up and are expected to also receive good response. Asset management company sector in particular is rated to be likely outperformer in the longer term. The Vodafone India received a favorable judgment from the International Court on the income tax authority's imposition of retro tax of close to 20,000 crores. This could turn market positive on the sentiments for Monday. The maturity of the derivatives contracts on Thursday also could have added to the volatility. But on Friday, the futures volatility index VIX closed lower at 20 from Thursday's close of 23. The US dollar index though remained around 94 during the week. The rupee did swing down to 73.90 and closed the week at 73.61. The RBI has added close to $3 billion to its reserves during the week ended 18th September, reflecting RBI's intervening presence in the market. The US non-farm payroll data expected on Friday 2nd October could be the next market mover. In the coming week, the dollar may test the 74 level against the rupee. The stock markets, the debt market, Reserve Bank of India cancelled an open market bond purchase program for 10,000 crores and an 18,000 crores notified amount auction of the 10-year benchmark was devolved almost completely on the primary dealers, but for two bids for 125 crores. The Standard & Poor reaffirmed the BBB long-term and A3 short-term rating with continuing stable outlook. But this did not lend much confidence to the market and the benchmark 10-year yield remained above 6%. On Monday, Reserve Bank is likely to announce the second half borrowing program for the government. And on 1st October, the monetary policy review is also due. The constitution of the revised monetary policy committee could also be watched with interest by the markets. Gold lost close to $100 during the week and closed at $1,860 to an ounce. Have an interesting week ahead. Thanks.